Hey y'all, welcome to another nail video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this Valentine's Day set, and we're going to jump straight into application. The acrylic I'm using is Mia's Secret Pinkish and the clear powder as well. To get this ombre look, you're going to take the chunky hearts of your choice and place them onto a wet bead of clear acrylic. I am a little bit out of frame, but after you're done placing your glitter, you're going to then add small beads of your base color. Once I'm done placing my base color down, I'm then going to encapsulate the whole nail in the clear. And then I'm going to repeat the same process to the rest of my nails. Now that application is all done, we're going to get into my shaping. I am going to go with my hand file and then my e-file. Now I'm going to go in with my fine ceramic bit and finish the rest of my filing. Once filing is done, I'm going to give them a dust. I'm going to spray them down with some alcohol, and then I'm going to scrub them with my nylon brush. I'm now going to matte top coat my 3 solid colored nails that I'll be drawing my Frenchies on. I'm now going to cure these 3 solid colored nails for 60 seconds. And then for my 2 ombre nails, they are going to get a shiny top coat. And I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now that each nail has a smooth foundation, we can get into the nail art. The pink color that I use for my Frenchies is a custom mix of these 2 colors. Once I was satisfied with the pink, I went ahead and started on my Frenchies. Now that I'm done drying my Frenchie, I'm going to go in with this pink pigment powder from Hobby Lobby. Using this in a small fluffy brush is going to give me the airbrush, no airbrush look. To get the most seamless look, you want to use the most pressure in the center and lighten up where you want the color to soften. When I'm done applying the powder, I dust the nail off and then top coat it and cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go in and make my XO lettering using my white polish. Now that I'm done drying, I'm going to take my fine Happy Loppy glitter and pour it on top of the wet gel and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to repeat these same steps on the rest of my nails. Now with the base of my art being finished, I'm now going to add my charms. With my pinky, I wasn't sure of how I wanted my rhinestones placed, so I tried some different placements until I found what I liked. Once I was happy with my rhinestone placement, I re-top coated this nail and my middle finger to keep my rhinestones shiny. This is the final look. In total, I would say it took me 4 hours to do. I did my other hand off camera, but I hope you enjoyed watching. Hopefully this gave you some nail inspo. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later.